back to my channel. So today we have All of Me by The Score, and also we have featuring Travis Barker. So this song is actually super easy to play, came out Friday, so recently, but was unable to do because I had to do some album which I promised to do in that specific time. So I had a lot of hard work in that. Never mind, this one is super easy to play, and it's actually very simple. So don't need to worry about the structure because we have the same thing going throughout the whole song. Now you don't need any capo, and as you can see, Spanish tuning obviously. So let's have a look at the chords. One chord progression, one string pattern going through the whole song, which makes it super easy. Alright, you got two options. You can play the power chords, or you can even play the open chords. I like to combine both and play like one for the verse, another for the chorus, and like that. So just have a look at the chord shapes. First chord is the A major, which is mute, open, second, 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 open. The next chord is F sharp minor, which I'm playing it 2 4 4 2 2 2. Yeah, bar chord I know. Then a C sharp minor, which is mute 4 6 6 5 4. You can play this in an easy way like this, playing the G, B and the high E string. Same for the F sharp minor chord. But you got an option. You don't have to play this chords because we are basically going on the power chord shapes. So definitely it's gonna be super simple. I don't think that these are bar chords. These are just power chords having just two notes. One is the bass note, the root note, another is a 5. Super easy. So let's have a look at the A major power chords. So A5, the power chord name is by A. So we got the A over here on the E string, A, and we got the 5 over here, which is basically if I'm not wrong, it's E. So I got A, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. So I got A5 over here, so 5, and just play these two strings. Keep the other strings muted with your index finger. If you want, you can play the octaves, but I just like to play the root note and the 5th. You bring it over here on the 2nd fret, it will be a F sharp minor power chord, which is basically a 2 and a 4. Again on the E and A string, and keep the other string muted. You bring it all the way down to the 9th fret, it will be a C sharp 5. So 9, 11 on the E and A. There's nothing in the power chord as minor or major because we don't have the 3rd over here. So let's proceed further. I think the power chord is clear. This is super easy. Even a beginner can, like one who bought a guitar yesterday, can actually play this. They're super easy. So let's get into the song. We have one chord progression, and the chord progression is a A major, then F sharp minor, then a C sharp minor. In case you're wondering, you can even play the C sharp minor chord over here also, which is 4 on the A and 6 on the D, keeping the rest of all the string muted. So that was basic concept. So we got A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, another tap, C sharp minor. So again. Now string pattern will be 4 downstroke, 8 downstroke, sorry. Super simple 8 downstroke. There's nothing like one is a bit high, one is a bit low. Normal 8 downstroke, all are equal. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Come C sharp minor chord, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Another tap. Super simple, 1 2 3 4. And in case you want, you can even play this on the open chords which I showed you. So it will be sounding something like this. No matter what happens, the C sharp minor chord is repeated twice at the end. So therefore you're just gonna do 16 downstroke on the C sharp minor chord, except the rest we just have 8 downstroke on each chord. So the main thing is the power chord. So let's play the power chord and it will be crystal clear for you guys. 2 3 4. That's it for this lesson. If this helped you out, make sure to drop me one of these subscribe because we just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Working really hard. Drop me a comment down below any song that you want to learn on guitar, and I'll see you guys back in our very next video. Till then, bye.